Hello everyone. So in today's video we are going to discuss how to create a material group in SAP. So to create a material group we need to go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, then Logistics General, then Material Master, then Settings for Key Fields. Then here the first option will be Define Material Groups. So here there are already some material groups are created. So here we might create a new material group. So let's say a new entry, click on new entry, and here the material group, let's say T100, and the material group is, so here our material group is T100, and let's say our material group description is glass materials. So just enter it and save it. So this is how we can create a material group in SAP.